Hey everyone, it's Debra, and I know it's Monday. I usually don't have a video, but I wanted to share a project with you using the long label set from Scrap Diva Designs. I just went ahead and made simple little tea favors out of this, and I'm going to show you. I use that tea. It is the tea that I purchased from Aldi last year, and I just went to town and had a lot of fun making these. And I did use some wild sweet orange tea that I had on hand. But let me show you what I did. These little tea favors are so cute. They're so cute. I mean, these would be great for a craft fair. So, you know, just get out your beautiful paper, your beautiful teas, and it's two cuts. I mean, just two things. You're just cutting this and this, this and this. And then you have two different types of tea favors. So here is one of them. And then here is the other one. And you could decorate them as much as you want. I kept it very, very simple. Just packaged it with using these bags. I will try to find the link, but the measurements is it's 3 by 7. So 3 inches by 7 inches. Okay. So here is some more of them. Let me show you this one. Little lemon macaroon. If you could find really cute little tea bags like that, look how, I mean, it just makes it extremely cute. And that would be a great dollar item at your craft fairs, and it looks really, really cute at your craft fairs. If you were having a spring tea or something like that, you could really decorate all of this, but I wanted to keep it very, very simple and let the paper do the work for me. Okay. All right, so there's quick and easy little tea favors. I love them. What do you think? What would you make with something like this? Okay, so there you go. There's your little tea favors. There's an idea for that. You could put a candy there, like the Ghirardelli candies. You could put that there. You could put one of the little rabbits. In fact, let me see if I know I have one. I'm talking about the little, these from Dollar Tree. I just picked them up because I'm going to do a favor with these. I'm going to do a video with these. But let's see if one of these would fit. It would fit in there, and it would look super cute if you used your paper. You know, and you could decorate around it if you want to, but it would look super cute to have one of these in there as well. Okay, just giving you some ideas of how you could work with this die set. I am going to make some other things with it. I just have to come up with the idea on it. I think another thing you can do is this little portion right here. You can make it as a fold over bag topper as well if you position it on your paper correctly. Okay. All right. So there you go. There's your idea for the long label set from Scrap Diva Designs. That's a release from this month. And I will put a link to the bags. The paper I used is an Echo Park paper. I think it's an older one. You may not be able to get it. I'll look, but I'll put links for all of that. All right, guys, have a great day, and I will see you Wednesday. And we're doing a giveaway. This is not a regular scheduled video. This was just an added video, but I am doing a giveaway on Wednesday. I'm announcing the winners from last week on Wednesday, and then I do have dies. I'm going to use these two dies from KS Craft. And I do have 2 extras to give away. But anyway, you guys have a great Monday and Tuesday, and I'll see you on Wednesday. Okay, bye.